Yo, what's up guys? So today is day 22 of the challenge from 0 to 10k a month. I can't make this shit get bigger. Alright, here we are. So you can see me better. So, last week I told you that I was going to up my size and I didn't have any chance to do that because price action sucked quite a lot. As you can see, we are at all-time highs, as I already told you, and last week was this chop right here, and to me there wasn't good uh, any good reason to place some trades, so I just didn't. I was looking at the charts for about 3 days of the week, and Friday was a bank holiday, so I just didn't watch them. On Wednesday had I had to go to work, so that's why I didn't watch the markets. But yeah, I tried to backtest it, but no setup was found, so yeah, a week to skip. We did win on Monday. Funny how Monday these days are the best days, actually. Not today, because today quite sucked, as you can see. So I want to make this video to show you guys how bad price action is and how you can actually see it by yourself. And as you can see, we are closing ourselves in a range, and we are making a smaller and smaller range. We are accumulating, as you can see. All these lines are like highs and lows not being taken, and on a lower time frame it's the same thing, as you can see. So today, this is today, is right here, from here to here, and you can see how we are just ranging inside of the range. And how can you tell today wasn't a good day to trade? Just because if you take any PDRA like this bullish fair value gap, or I don't know, some like this order block, this SMT, nothing is being respected, because this is like, this one is an SMT. We also have an SMT at the lows, and probably now we don't. Like earlier we had an SMT right here. This is yes, and we could have probably taken some shorts. Shorts were probably the best ideas, even if we are on at all-time highs, and usually we don't want to trade like we can trade short, of course, but it has to be like a good setup if you want to do that. It was quite obvious that we wanted to see all these generated sell side to be taken, and yeah, that's why we could have taken some shorts. But if we go any lower, you can see nothing is really being respected. And what entry could you take? Like, I wanted to see, maybe I was looking for something like this, maybe an SMT right here. We add that SMT up there, and we saw that yeah, we saw that down here we were generating again buy side. As you can see, price is fractal, because if we go higher, this is pretty much the same thing right here, and we could have taken some shorts, but yeah, what entry would you take? Like, I was expecting, yes, this one to be taken, maybe an SMT, and then probably close below this down close candle, so that we had the CSD. That would have been like a good scalp and could have worked quite good, I think. But as you can see, price does whatever he wants, and we didn't get any of these. After this move right here, I just stepped away from the charts, because you can see it's nothing is being respected. Yeah, basically that's it. But these days are quite good to learn also what being patient means, and you can't force any trade in such a price action. So I'm grateful for being here and actually spending some time to watch this shit, because it truly is shit. But in the long run, this will make me even more profitable, and that's the reason why I'm how do you say it, I'm I'm trying to see as many sessions as possible, and try not to skip any of them, because every session could be a lesson, even if we don't take any trades. And today was a lesson, so yeah, just be grateful for it. And yeah, hopefully this week we'll get any like better price action. I'm looking forward for it, but right now we are going to it's going to be summer, and usually in summer we have lower probability just because of lower, not liquidity but volatility, and we like when market is volatile, because it tends to tell you faster what he wants to do, and usually it respects price action and PDR raise better. So yeah, what else? Yeah, I'm not expecting any good price action in the next 2 months probably, so I think this period I will just try to focus on myself, on what goes through my mind. I've been meditating quite a bit, trying to visualize myself and actually believe to be profitable, because I just gotta believe it before making it, I already told you in a previous video, and that's my plan for these 2 months, and I will surely climb more, because I want to get as good as possible at that. I'm seeing a lot of results also in my climbing, and I'm doing great. Yeah, so also for you guys, that I saw that last video made 10 views, which is such a good thing, and yeah, we are growing a lot, exponentially. So yeah, also for you guys, don't just focus on only trading. Of course, make it the priority, but I always have to restart it after 5 minutes. So yeah. But what I was saying is that you must also focus, like the priority, okay, it has to be trading, but even better would be yourself. Just focus on yourself, try to become the best version of yourself, just be it, as I already told you, and live a great life, and you will see that everything will reflect also on trading and whatever you have in mind. Okay, so I kind of like this webcam. Well, then that's enough talking. I guess we'll see you in the next video, hopefully with a win. See ya.